Hello friends, welcome to all in my channel Education and Motivation. In the previous video we had seen the types of nouns, and today we are going to focus on the noun gender. Gender is one of the most important topics in English language. So let's start. Look, here is one sentence. We all know that living beings are of either the male or the female sex. Okay, we all know that living things in this universe are either the male or the female sex. Now just focus on these pairs given here in the box. Okay, look here. Boy, girl, this is the first pair. Tiger, tigress. King, queen. Peacock, peahen. Now after observing all these pairs, just focus on the very first word of each pair. It is written in red ink. Boy, tiger, king, peacock. Okay, all these first words from each pair are representing the male animal. They are representing the male animal. Okay, boy, tiger, king, peacock. And the second word of each pair, girl, tigress, queen, peahen. All these second words in each and every pair are representing female animals. Okay, boy, girl, tiger, tigress, king, queen, peacock, peahen. So all the first words in each and every pair are called masculine are of masculine gender, and all these girl, tigress, queen, peahen, these are called as feminine gender. Generally there are four types of genders in English language. They are considered. Look here is a chart. Okay, first of all we will focus on the first one, masculine gender. What is masculine gender? Just we had seen, it denotes a male animal. For example, man, ox, father. These are the examples of masculine gender. Second one is feminine gender. It denotes a female animal. For example, woman, cow, mother, like this. Okay, now the third type is common gender. It denotes either a male or a female. It means it may be of male sex or may be of female sex. For example, friend, my friend may be of male sex, my friend may be of female sex. Person, it may be male or female. Child, it may be male or female. It is called common gender. Okay, and the last one is neuter gender. It denotes neither male nor female. For example, pen, it has no any sex, male or female. Book, room, so we use it is a pen, like that. That is a book, it is a room. Okay, it is a neuter gender. So masculine gender denotes male animal, feminine gender it denotes female animal, common gender it denotes either a male or a female, and neuter gender it denotes neither male nor female. It means it is no male or no female. Okay, now we will see some examples. Look here, you have to remember all these words. Okay, remember these words. Look here, some examples. Masculine, feminine. Okay, brother, sister, lord, lady, nephew, niece, horse, mare, buck, doe, dog, bitch, wizard, witch, son, daughter, uncle, aunt, stag, hind, cock, hen, gentleman, lady. Okay, you have to remember these words. Now Some feminine genders are formed by adding EWS to the EWS to the masculine form of that word or masculine noun. Look here, lion, we are adding EWS to lion, lion, lioness. Understand? Author, we are adding EWS, authoress. Host, hostess. Manager, manageress. Poet, poetess. Giant, giantess. Shepherd, shepherdess. Hare, hairess. Jew, Jewess. Peer, peeress. Viscount, look here, Viscount, viscountess. Patron, patroness. Here, poet, poetess. Mayor, mayoress. Priest, priestess. Okay. Then these words are formed by adding EWS to the masculine form. EWS to the masculine form. Lion, lioness, like that. Okay, understand? Now some more words we will see of gender. Look here, in the following, now EWS is added after dropping the vowel of the masculine ending. Look here, EWS is added after dropping the vowel sound. Do you know vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These are the 5 vowels in English. Okay. Now look, ACTOR, actor. Here we are, when we are going to do the feminine gender of this word actor, we are dropping this O. And what we are going to do? After dropping O, we are attaching EWS. Okay, it means ACT. We are dropping O. It means we are not writing this O. Then ACT, then direct R, and then we are attaching EWS to it. Okay. Hunter, actor, actress. Hunter, we are dropping E, and the spelling HUNT. Not, we are not writing E here. We are writing directly. After dropping E, we are writing R and then EWS. Okay. Understand? Actor, actress. Hunter, huntress. Duke, duchess. Emperor, empress. Tiger, tigress. Master, mistress. Waiter, waitress. Prince, princess. Here also E is dropped and EWS is attached. This E is dropped and EWS is attached. Okay. Now by another rule, some feminines are formed, such as by adding INE. Hero, heroine. We are not dropping anything, HERO, just we are attaching INE, heroine. Then in this word, by attaching TRIX, testator, testatrix, testatrix. Okay, TRIX is attached. Then for some words, just A is attached. Look here, sultan, sultana. Senior, seniora. A is attached. Then here is Tsar, Tsarina. And this is exceptional one. This is also exceptional. Example, Tsar, Tsarina. Fox, vixen. Fox, vixen. Okay. Look here. Now, by placing a word before or after, underlines are there. Which word is placed before or after? Look here, landlord. Lord is underlined, and here is landlady. Lord is gone and lady came here. Landlord, landlady. Milkman, milkwoman. Okay. Peacock, peahen. Salesman, saleswoman. Look here, grandfather, grandmother. Great uncle, great aunt. Washerman, washerwoman. Look here, man is dropped now and maid is here. Man servant, maid servant. Man servant, maid servant. Okay, understand? Now some facts about gender. Look here, Some objects which are recognized for their strength and violence are supposed to be masculine in gender. For example, the sun, summer, winter, time, death. All these words are recognized for their strength and violence. So they are supposed to be of masculine gender. Okay. For example, winter gives his coolness to all. Here his is used. It means winter is supposed to be of masculine gender. Winter gives his coolness to all. Oh, okay. So these words, remember these words, the sun, summer, winter, time, death, all these words are supposed to be of masculine gender. Okay. Second rule is here, some objects which are recognized for their beauty, gentleness are supposed to be of feminine gender. Those words which are recognized for their beauty, gentleness, and they are supposed to be as of feminine gender. For example, the moon, the earth, spring, nature, charity, peace, mercy, justice, hope. Okay. For example, justice has her own importance. Justice has her own importance. Here, her, it suggests that this is of supposed to be as feminine gender, justice. Okay. And two words, car and ship. These two words are used in prose and poetry as of feminine gender. Car and ship. These are supposed to be of feminine gender. For example, Titanic ship. Do you know Titanic? A film, very famous one. Titanic ship lost her control at last. Her is used, it means Titanic is supposed to be as of feminine gender. Like that, car also. Okay. So I hope you will like this video. Please like it, share it, read all these examples again and again. Remember it. Write down all these examples in your notebook by pausing the video, and do the practice more and more. In the next video we will see about the noun, numbers, singular, plural. Okay. So please subscribe my channel Education and Motivation, so that and also press the bell icon so that you will get the notifications on time. Okay. So that's all. Thank you.